Let's take a look at the living space again. So one of the ways to really expand this space and to again enjoy that sense of the environment that you've placed your cabin within is to open up these doors here. This is a 12-foot wide opening, and we've put in a door system that could be essentially entirely removed. So rather than having a sliding patio door system, we have this system from Panoramic, and it opens up like this. Yeah, it's pretty great. So once they're open, they're tucked away at the side here. They have this huge unencumbered opening. And if you want your interior to spill out, you have your dining set up out here, you have a grill here. You could be cooking inside and outside.